morning, everyone. So we're finally here at El Nido. I arrived at around 1:40 something, almost 2 o'clock na madaling araw. So we checked in late because yung flight natin from Manila was around 4:15. Dumating tayo ng Puerto Princesa Airport at around 5:45, tapos nagantay pa ng baggage. So mga almost 7 na kami nakaalis kasi pinuno pa yung van. So I took a van going from Puerto Princesa to here, El Nido. So we're staying here at my hotel. This is Amakan Hotel. I'll do a quick room tour, although may mga gamit na ako at natulugan ko na rin yung kama, but I'll just give you a view of what my room looks like. And so far, I'm happy with this room. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is my entrance. This is the door, and then once you go in, ayan, kama na kaagad yung makikita ninyo. And this is a queen size bed, mga kakusina. I booked a room for 2 kasi iniisip ko baka magbago yung isip ng anak ko and maisama ko siya, kaso hindi ko talaga siya napapayag na sumama sa akin. What I like about this bed, it is so comfy. Ayan. And white sheets talaga. Ang ganda, ang bango. And then, 4 yung una niya. Nakikita niyo naman. Although I don't have a view, hindi ko nabubuksan yan because there's really no view outside. Although, ang comment ko lang dito sa kwarto na to, it's that the lights are so soft. I want a more brighter light kasi medyo malabo na yung aking what do you call this? yung eyesight ko. So I have a fan but I didn't turn it on. And then we have a TV on here. And then this is your AC. Okay, so ito naman yung ating toilet and bath. Nagamit ko na yan, mga kakusina. So it's just a basic shower, toilet na may bidet, your sink, and then you have your vanity mirror here. Although itong ilaw na to medyo maliwaliwanag, so magandang mag-ayos dito. And as you go to the left side of the room, yan, meron akong maliit na desk, may chair. You have an open closet. Yan. Tapos may mga sabitan, you have trash cans, you have a safe down there. Okay, so this is just a standard room of theirs. Yung price nito, ililink ko na lang or ipapaskil ko kung saan man dito sa screen na to. And I booked this room through booking.com. So there, this is my room for technically for 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, 4 days and 3 nights here at El Nido. Although we didn't get to spend the whole day on the 19th kasi nga nagbiyahe tayo. So today's the 20th. Ayan. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. Pero ang gusto kong gawin ngayon is kumain, mag-breakfast kasi sobrang gutom ko na. Yung last meal ko was yung kape sa airport. Hindi na ako masyadong kumain dahil nga nagbiyahe. I'll see you downstairs and I'll give a tour of the place as well. Magpapaalam muna tayo sa hotel if they can allow it. And then we're gonna eat breakfast. Let's see their breakfast options. So we are here at Art Cafe and we're gonna have breakfast, and I have the beach in front of me. Let me show you. Yeah. So medyo nag-splurge tayo sa kakainin natin for today kasi gutom na gutom talaga ako. Gusto ko mag-try ng iba, although I'm craving for Filipino breakfast, but I want to try something that I haven't done yet, or I haven't eaten yet. So that's it. We're just gonna wait for our food, and we're gonna enjoy the view. So the shake just arrived. Ito yung gusto ko sa shake. Walang gatas. It's just mango. So the food just arrived. Sa alam ko, it's like a cheesy melt with tomato and garlic.
This tomato salad and macaroni. Oh, we did your time. I was gonna do something unexpected. Because everyone celebrates.
when it's 100 degrees, burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in.
We are here at Las Cabañas and I'm having mais con yelo. Ang bilis matunaw kasi mainit. Ang ice cream is buka ice cream. This is like 150 pesos. Medyo mahal ang pagkain talaga dito. Feeling ko namumula na ako. Hindi ako nakapaglagay ng sunblock. Ang init kanina. Pero okay lang. Gusto ko naman talaga umitim. Yung ginamit nilang mais, whole kernel instead of the cream style corn. May nakita akong McDonald's. Last time that I went here, wala pa yung McDonald's. So malamang doon na lang tayo magdi-dinner kasi nga kailangan natin magtipid. Parang nakaka almost 1,000 na tayo. More than 1,000 for today just for the food. So yun. Parang yung minimum na masuspend mo dito, kulang yung 500 pag meron pang drinks. You have to buy the water because nakakatakot uminom ng just the tap water. Here it has to be bottled water. Bumili ako nito kasi ang init. I just wanna cool down. May bisita akong aso. Anong ginagawa mo? Hello? Yung fare pala papunta dito is 150 one way. And then kokontratahin ka na nila para round trip na. It's 300 of course. So ang bayad pag sundo sa'yo pabalik sa hotel. So good enough. I'm thinking of going to Nakpan. However, it's like 1,000 round trip. Sabi nung driver ng tricycle, mura na daw yun. But we'll see. We'll see. Medyo mahal yun kung Nakpan lang. Pero hindi ko pa kasi napupuntahan ng Nakpan. So we can check.